Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Jarihan Malu, and today we will learn about Python escape characters. So I am on her Google site, which is known as W3 Schools. So first I am on the Python escape characters. I will give this link in the description. So first, what are escape sequences? Escape sequences are the basically they have assigned a value or a function which they execute between the string. You do not have to add these escape sequences, like you can see here, like Vikings. So we have like you can click on try yourself and you can see the output, like you will not able to see, or okay, so you can see here, like if we put escape sequence, this is escape double inverted quotes. Like you cannot put two double inverted quotes again in a double inverted quote string, so you have to put forward slash or backslash for this. So for this you can use this, like you can see the output here. So you can go on this site and check everything. You can click on try yourself and you can see all the outputs, and you can work on this editor also. You can type your programs also here, and every library is installed here. So here these are some escape sequences you can loot, like we have studied about double inverted code. You can insert a single inverted code also, which you cannot insert single inverted quotes in a single inverted quote string. And if you have to put a backslash, you cannot put a backslash directly in a string. You can try it, and you have to put double backslash, so it will print a backslash. And slash n means a new line, like if you have to print a new line between a string, you can use this. So slash r is a carriage return, like you can return a value between a string. You can perform like a function of math expression here. So if you have to print a tab space, you can write tab here, or you have to print a tab space to your normally all some programmers which are beginner, they keep on pressing the space bar, and you have to not, or it's a very long method, and you can use it as a preferable method, like slash t. So it will make a tab space between the string. So slash b means a backspace, like it will remove the back word from the string. And these are some more escape characters you can use, and I will be writing some more escape sequences in my in the description. So first let's get into the editor. So let's write some print functions, and first take let's try single quote. We can try it here also. We have no need to go in the IDLE. So we can press try it, and the new tab will open, and you can, it's alright, and here slash comma is here. So I told you cannot use directly here, so if you run this, it will give an error. So as you can see, error is coming here, so we can do like this and run it. So here output will be coming. So as you can see here, it's alright is coming. So let's try another thing, like slash t. So it will create a tab space here between it and s. So let's see here, like as you can see, there is a tab space between it and s, and the next thing is double slash. You can print a slash by putting double slash. So as you can see here, one is coming, and alright, as you can see. So next thing we can try new line slash new line. So this thing will be printing the all right and some space in the next line. So as you can see, I have put in some space here. If I cancel it out and on single space, it will be printing like this. So as you can see, one space is there. I have put in one space, and slash nan basically do it makes a new line, and the after string will be printed in the new line. So next thing is slash r. So slash r let's so it also inserts a line, so it returns a line. So so if you want to insert a new para, you can write slash r and slash n. So you can so next slash b. So as you can see, it will be cancelling the backspace or the last word, which is a space here. So as you can see, it is doing the same. So next is f. You have to try it yourself, as the editor is not trying, and these two are used for the octal value. So this was all I wanted to share in this video. This link I will share in the description. You can go there and see or learn many languages. I have learned many things from this site. You can also learn. So this was all I wanted to share in this video. Till the next video, goodbye.